Stuntman, I want you to do as many neutral drops as possible. Starting now. What? Rocking horses, folks. She's starting to loosen up, folks. She's loosening up, folks. Maybe we can turn this into a glower. Nice, it gets better every time. How many miles? How many?
225.
Nice. Let me see. He wasn't lying, folks. It's got 2 1/4 on the meter. Now, I thought this was an STI, folks. The beast is gonna take it away. Somebody lied. Nothing like a rocking horse or two. Doesn't mark up the ground so they know we were here. That's what you do, folks. I don't think it was enough to make it a glower. Tell you what, maybe. Oh, I see smoke coming from under the hood. Let me see. I gotta get under this thing. Nah. It wasn't a glower.
Get over here! I just wanted to say get over here.
All right. Like, comment, subscribe, folks. This thing's just putting out smoke from everywhere, folks. Nice and smoky in here. She's a smoker.